It's fighting time with Shannon Carroll, this time with Ipsy bags. So let's see who got the better bag, or did we both get the same? Hi, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to do an Ipsy battle with Shannon Carroll, and I will put the link to her down below to her video. The purpose of this is to make money. No, it's to just see who got the better bag. I mean, we might have gotten identical bags. We don't know till we look in it. And then what we're not going to keep, we do a giveaway on. I do my giveaway, she does her giveaway. And we like you to vote for whose you thought was better, not because we get a prize or anything, but because we get bragging rights. Ooh, this looks cute. See, I had no idea what to expect because I don't watch other people's videos until I get mine done. Look at this bag. Look at that. That's kind of a teal coat, at least from what I can tell. It's nighttime now. So I think that's a teal color. It's either teal or black. And then it says, look good, do good. So what's it say on here? April 2023, anything is possible. A new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes for us and for you. While we're bringing the best of Ipsy and BoxyCharm together under Ipsy to create the Ultimate Beauty membership, get ready to embrace all the new possibilities this spring, making more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices. It's Earth Month after all. I didn't know that. Experimenting with the latest makeup trends and expressing every gorgeous side of you. Now, I don't know if this is going to be any different. I know people have been posting their new BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So I don't know if anything's going to come of it. So they don't have it on here as to what's in the bag. I don't know what this is supposed to mean. It just says, be a conscious beauty consumer. Here's how to navigate all the symbols on your beauty labels. Oh, okay, so that's just for all the different symbols. But it doesn't say what's in here. But I think this is cute. So let's see what we have. First off, we have some kind of an eyebrow pencil. I can't read what, oh, Cab, K-A-B. Looks like kind of a brown shade. It's in sealed, so, and I'm not gonna keep it. Then we have Living Proof Curl Elongator for coils. Conditioning styler. And of course, it's so tiny, teeny, tiny, I can't read it. Look at that. Who can read that? Yeah. So that would go in the giveaway. Then we have the new CO, that's N-U-E. Improve the skin barrier with probiotic hydration. This is a barrier culture moisturizer. Pre, pro, and postbiotic. Even tinier. Giveaway. Then we have a REN, R-E-N, Clean Skincare. Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Even worse to read. Giveaway. Only got one item left, and I know for sure I won't be using this because anything that's like a, what do you call them? Like an eyeshadow or any like that. Yeah, see, loose setting powder. It's kind of sealed too, so I don't use any of that stuff anymore. So this whole thing is going to be a giveaway. Now I don't know if it will be in this bag or if it'll be in another bag. I'll have to decide, think about it. So what I need you to do is go down below, check out my rules and regulations for giveaway. Off the top of my head, I know you have to be over 18. You must be living in the United States, have a United States address. YouTube's not affiliated with this at all. They didn't pay for a thing. Oh, you must subscribe to both my video and Shannon's. And like I said, I'll have the link to her down below. So what magic word can we come up with? Let's use the word, I want to use something different. So it's one that, you know, not just anybody who would automatically say something would automatically be entered. Let's use the word cool. C-O-O-L, okay? What the heck? Unless somebody automatically says, oh, this is a cool video. So that will do it. What do you think? I don't know if they're worth, what is it, $15, $16, whatever they are now. Things keep changing, you know. Very irritating. So, I will pick the winner a week from today's date. Okay? And I'll post that up here when I edit it. So please comment below, share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you all enjoy this video. You are slowly slinking down. This holder is an old one. He's got kind of go. So up. Brat. So I hope you're having a great day. I love you all. Bye.